Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, long time no see. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are staying safe and taking care of yourselves. Thank God we made it to 2022. 2021 was a hell of a year. Guys, on to today's video. Today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. I will be sharing with you guys two items I got from Hermes. And when it comes to luxury unboxing this year, I do not think I will be doing much of luxury hauls because I think I am good with what I have in my collection. If you know me, you know I'm more of a classic dresser. I do not do trends, so I tend to go for classic pieces when it comes to my luxury items, things I can use over and over. So if you guys want to see what I got from Hermes, keep watching. This is the first thing I got from Hermes, and this I did not get from the shop. I got this online because when I rang Hermes, they told me this particular item I wanted was sold out, and the SA was so kind. Guys, Hermes customer service, I'm going to give a 10 over 10. She told me to order this online from Paris and this will get to me the next day. I ordered this on a Tuesday and it got to me here in Ireland on a Wednesday. So I must give that to Hermes. Okay, loves. I'm quickly going to open up this for you guys to see. And it has here the Hermes thing going on there. And this is my orange box. Can you guys guess what I have in here? I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I put this somewhere. And here is my orange box. You can't beat this orange box. I absolutely love the pop of color. And if you know me, you know I'm one that do not really wear colors. You get what I mean? But now I'm trying to wear more colors. I also have here the booklet from Hermes, and in here I have my Clic Clac bracelet from Hermes. This is in the size GM, and this particular one is called the Clic Clac. The smaller one is called the Clic H. I got this in a size GM because my experience with the first one I got, which is a size PM, it was just too snug on my wrist, even though I do not have a big wrist. So the bracelet has the H thing going on there, as you guys can see, and on top of that H thing, it has a plastic seal, which I think I'm going to keep because this thing scratches like crazy. That's just the only downside. And my advice is that if you're going to be wearing this bracelet, I would say to wear this alone or layer this with something that isn't steel. But with this size, I would say to wear alone. And when it comes to the Clic H1, because it's a smaller one, I would say to layer that if you want. This is in the size GM, and the way you open this up is just press like so, and here it opens. You pop your wrist in there. I'm just going to take off my other bracelet and I'll pop this one on for you guys to see. Hey loves, here is the bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see, and it kind of fits a little bit snug, but not too snug like the PM. If I were Hermes, I'm going to do another size, which maybe I'll call a GGM, because if you have a really wide wrist, this will not fit at all. I have a little bit of space here at the back, which I love. And guys, with this bracelet, there has been an increase in price, just 20 euros, which isn't bad compared to the crazy price increase from Chanel. I absolutely love this bracelet. I can wear this with anything and everything. I can dress this up, I can dress this down, and the quality is there. The quality is there when it comes to this bracelet. I must give it to Hermes. My advice is, if you're going to be buying this bracelet, if you have the money, I would say to buy it brand new. Reason being that the price in the pre-love market, it's just crazy. When I checked Fashion File, the pre-love price is almost the same if you're paying for a new one. So I'm like, this really doesn't make sense to me. You're better off adding that $10 or $20, 10 or 20 euros, and grab a new one. Even when I checked first year collection, I think that's what it's called, this bracelet is going for 600 euros, and online brand new this is 635 euros. So why not add the 35 euros and grab a brand new one? Absolutely love this. I highly recommend this. I think this is a classic pieces, and it holds its value when you want to sell. It is also going to be my forever pieces. So on to the next item I grabbed from Hermes. I got the same bracelet but in another color. Also has the Hermes leaflet in there, and here I have the white and silver. I absolutely love this white and silver, and I tend to reach for more silver jewelry when it comes to my jewelry collection. I thank God that I had to sell the other one because the black and silver wasn't doing it for me, and it was just too snug on my wrist. I also got this in a size GM, brand new, as you guys can see. I'm quickly going to take this off and I'll pop this on my wrist for you guys to see. This bracelet is so easy to pop on. So here I have it. Press and push this over, bam, here we got it. And if you're going to be getting this bracelet, my advice is to get the size. Do not get the Clic H1 because the price difference isn't too much. The Clic H1 is about $6 something. I'm going to put the amount here, and the difference between that one and this one in price is say about $50 or 50 euros. I'll pop the prices here for you guys to see, as well as the measurement. I absolutely love this, and this goes with my white shirt. Guys, those are the only things I got for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I want to do a Q&A video because it's been forever since I did a Q&A, and over the years things have really changed in my life. So I want you guys to get to know me better. You get what I mean? If you would love a Q&A video, let me know by leaving your comments beneath the comment section. And if you have any questions for me, let me know by leaving your questions beneath the comment section as well. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye now.